Jaxson, what's up? Oh, you tip all the train. Oh. 玩火车，玩火车，玩火车。哦哦哦，玩火车。哇，火车倒了。you Godzilla, you Godzilla, you destroy trains. Oh, driving the train away.火车要来了，火车来了，火车来了。哦，看火车来了，等火车，等火车。来了，来了，来了。Oh, you getting ready? Getting ready? 逃走了。Whoa. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, still going. Oh. Whoa. Whoa.火车来了，火车来了。Oh, don't take the track. Okay, 火车来了，火车来了，进站了。Going to the station. Oh, destroy the whole trail. Oh my god. Oh, Jaxson. Oh, you destroy everything. Alright, me and Jaxson, we're gonna play some train toy. Yeah! So we got our train station set up. I'm just gonna, this is a hand power, so no battery required, but requires some charging here. So I'm gonna charge it up first, and then we'll run our full train track under the ping pong table here. Okay? Give us a few seconds. If you light up. Yeah. Ready? We're gonna start with this train first. So we're gonna open it. So this one's gonna go back and forth the track. See, it's gonna come to the terminal here, and we'll go backward. And next, we're gonna start our mag-left train. So slowly accelerate. Going faster. Next, we're gonna start our passenger train here. Okay, ready? Go all the way around. Wow, Jaxson, so many train running. Ah, so happy on the train! So still going, no battery. So this will go 4 rounds without any battery, just hand charging. Yeah, Jaxson! Yeah! Watch the train! He's so happy. Okay, it's getting really slow. It's making its 4th round. It's making it to the station here. And we're gonna swap it out with this coal train. And we're gonna stop it here. This train will stop. Okay. Then we'll take this engine out and we'll swap it with this coal train. Oh. Okay, ready? Oh, this is really slow. It's running on coal. But it will run. It will make its way around slowly. Oh, train! Train! Whoa! You're grabbing the train. Wow! So that train, the coal train, is still making its way around very slowly. So this is the fastest one. It's maglev, running on magnetic track. Slowly making its way around. You see the wheel will like move around, pretty cool. Alright, coming into the station. Oh, Jackson's getting ready. Yeah. Yep, and that's it. Let's stop the station. Boom, stopped. Okay. And we'll stop the station here too. Turn that off. And that one's still making its way around. Alright, that's it, Jaxson. You have fun? Yeah! Train's so fun, right? Woohoo! Okay. Whee! Ta 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 ta! Woo! Baby Yoda! Hello? Pew! Pew! Pew pew pew! Ooh.